Welcome to this complete Perth travel guide. Nestled on Australia's western coast, Perth is a vibrant city that effortlessly blends modernity with a rich historical tapestry. Its stunning natural beauty is an open invitation to explorers, and its urban charm is a magnet for culture enthusiasts. Throughout this guide, we'll be stepping into the lush greenery of Kings Park and Botanic Garden, immersing ourselves in the bustling Fremantle Markets, and indulging in a picturesque Swan River cruise. We'll admire the masterpieces at the Art Gallery of Western Australia, soak up the sun at Cottesloe Beach, and delve into the gleaming world of the Perth Mint. Get ready to encounter exotic wildlife at Perth Zoo, explore the contemporary Elizabeth Quay, and take a day trip to the unspoiled wonder of Rottnest Island. We'll wrap up with a visit to the Western Australian Museum, a treasure trove of the region's history. Our first stop is the breathtaking Kings Park and Botanic Garden. This sprawling oasis in the heart of Perth is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving nature. The park's diverse flora and fauna make it a botanist's dream, boasting over 3,000 species of Western Australia's unique plant life. But Kings Park is more than a botanic garden. It's a vantage point where you can soak in panoramic views of the Swan River and the Darling Range in all their glory. Imagine looking out over the river, the city's skyline and the rugged hills in the distance, all from a single spot. And let's not forget, Kings Park is one of the world's largest inner-city parks, even outsizing New York's Central Park. It's a place where nature, culture, and splendid views intertwine. A visit to Perth is incomplete without a stroll in Kings Park. Don't just take our word for it, experience it for yourself. Next, we head to the bustling Fremantle Markets. This vibrant marketplace pulses with life, a true testament to its rich history dating back to the late 19th century. Within its heritage-listed walls, the air is ripe with the aroma of fresh local produce, a feast for the senses. Rows of stalls showcase a delightful array of indigenous and independent products, each with its own unique story to tell. Now let's talk about haggling. Some say it's an art form, while others a sport. Here at Fremantle, it's simply a friendly dance between buyer and seller, a tradition that adds a dash of spice to the shopping experience. So don't be shy to put on your dancing shoes and join the fun. In the heart of Fremantle, this market is more than just a place to shop. It's a melting pot of culture, community, and commerce. For a taste of local culture and flavor, Fremantle Markets is a must-visit. Now let's set sail on the tranquil Swan River. As we glide along the water, the city's skyline serves as a magnificent backdrop, with modern skyscrapers standing tall against the clear blue sky. The Swan River, with its gentle ebb and flow, offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Picture yourself on a leisurely cruise, the cool breeze caressing your face, the river's surface shimmering under the warm Australian sun. The river meanders gracefully, revealing picturesque sights along the way. To the right, you'll spot the iconic Kings Park and Botanic Garden, an oasis of greenery against the urban landscape. To the left, the historic Fremantle Port greets you with its charming old-world appeal. As we continue our journey, the river unfolds more of Perth's beauty, making every moment on this cruise a memory to cherish. But the enchantment of Perth doesn't end with the Swan River. We now transition from nature's artistry to human creativity as we step into the Art Gallery of Western Australia. Here you'll find an impressive collection of art that spans different eras and continents. The gallery houses an extensive selection of both international and Australian art. From Indigenous Australian art that tells stories of the land's ancient past to contemporary pieces that challenge the norm, the gallery is a treasure trove for art enthusiasts. Imagine walking through the spacious halls, each corner unveiling a new masterpiece, each piece telling a different story. But it's not just about the classics. The Art Gallery of Western Australia is a dynamic space that hosts regular exhibitions, interactive installations, and workshops. It's a place that celebrates art in all its forms, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a cultural experience in Perth. Whether it's the tranquility of the Swan River cruise or the inspiring collection at the Art Gallery, Perth offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. From serene river cruises to inspiring art, Perth never ceases to amaze. Up next, we hit the sandy shores of Cottesloe Beach. Cottesloe Beach, a paradise for sun seekers and surfers alike, this spot is the epitome of Australian beach culture. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin, the feeling of sand between your toes, and the sight of the cerulean sea stretching as far as the eye can see. Cottesloe's crystal clear waters beckon, offering a refreshing dip for swimmers and an exciting playground for surfers. But Cottesloe Beach isn't just about its natural beauty. It's also a vibrant hub of activity. The beachfront is dotted with charming cafes, bustling bars, and restaurants serving up delicious local cuisine. And let's not forget the iconic Indiana Tea House, a historic landmark that serves up a side of panoramic ocean views with every meal. But we're not just about the beach life here in Perth. Let's swap the sandy shores for the glimmering allure of gold as we head over to the Perth Mint. This grand old institution is a testament to Western Australia's rich and colourful history. Established in the late 19th century, the Perth Mint is one of the oldest mints in the world, still operating from its original premises. Step inside and you'll be transported back in time as you explore its fascinating exhibits. You'll see Australia's largest collection of gold bars, discover rare coins, and even witness a live gold pour. A spectacle that harks back to the days of the gold rush. The Perth Mint isn't just a window into the past, though it's also a hub of innovation, pioneering methods in gold refining and coin production that are used the world over. It's a place where history and modernity collide, creating an experience that's as enlightening as it is entertaining. Whether you're a beach lover or a history buff, Perth has got you covered. So, are you ready to dive into the crystal waters of Cottesloe Beach or strike gold at the Perth Mint? Perth is waiting for you, and its treasures are ready to be discovered. Our journey continues to the lively Perth Zoo, a vibrant sanctuary in the city. It's home to over 1,000 individual animals from more than 170 species. From the African savanna to the Australian outback, experience the world without leaving Perth. The zoo's commitment to conservation is commendable, with numerous programs aimed at protecting endangered species. Now imagine moving from the wild to the urban as we switch scenes to Elizabeth Quay. This modern marvel on the Swan River's edge is a testament to Perth's architectural prowess. It's a place where the city meets the river, where the skyline meets the sea. A plethora of dining options invite you to savor a meal with a view, while a range of high-end boutiques and quirky shops ensures retail therapy is always at hand. From wildlife encounters to dining with a view, Perth delights at every turn. Finally, we hop on a ferry to the charming Rottnest Island. Just a short trip from Perth's city centre, Rottnest Island is a haven of unspoiled beaches, crystal clear waters, and unique wildlife. As we disembark onto this picturesque island, we're greeted by the sight of the turquoise sea kissing the white sandy shores. The island boasts 63 stunning beaches, each one offering a unique slice of paradise. Whether you're an avid sunbather, a passionate snorkeler, or just love a good beach picnic, Rottnest Island has you covered. But the beaches are just the beginning. The island is also home to a unique resident, the quokka, a small marsupial that's as friendly as it is photogenic. Don't be surprised if these adorable creatures come up to say hello. They're just as curious about you as you are about them. Beyond the beaches and the wildlife, Rottnest Island teems with recreational activities. From cycling and hiking to diving and fishing, adventure seekers will find plenty to keep them entertained. You could spend an entire day here and still barely scratch the surface of what this island has to offer. From the island, we head back to the mainland and make our way to the Western Australian Museum. This fascinating institution delves deep into the state's natural and social history, offering a captivating journey through time. The museum showcases a variety of exhibits, from indigenous culture and colonial history to the region's diverse flora and fauna. A particular highlight is the blue whale skeleton, a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the ocean that surrounds this incredible state. Whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, or just curious about Western Australia, the museum is a must-visit. From island adventures to historical discoveries, Perth offers an unforgettable travel experience. And that, dear travellers, concludes our journey through the vibrant city of Perth. We've explored the lush greenery of Kings Park and Botanic Garden, where nature and city skyline blend in a breathtaking spectacle. We've roamed the bustling Fremantle Markets, a treasure trove of local produce, arts and crafts. We've sailed the tranquil Swan River and immersed ourselves in the rich artistry of the Art Gallery of Western Australia, Our footsteps mark the golden sands of Cottesloe Beach, and we've delved into the glittering history of the Perth Mint. We've marvelled at the diverse wildlife in Perth Zoo and taken in the modern grandeur of Elizabeth Quay. We've ventured on a day trip to the picturesque Rottnest Island and journeyed through the ages at the Western Australia Museum. With its stunning natural beauty, rich history and modern attractions, Perth truly is a traveller's paradise. Until next time, safe travels.